Okay guys, this is the bonus video I was trying to tell you about. If you don't want to wait for long, you don't want to waste too much time and you want to be cashing out this, and I want to tell you that it is real. You can see my name. This is my mail. This gets sent to me almost every day. So $20 daily, almost like that. So, and I worked for it. It's not as if it just came like that. So I want you to know that people are getting results from this course. So the course is very easy. It's called UMM course. So let me just show you some of my students proof, so you know that those that are really close to me are also getting great results. Look at yeah, I think this is Vanessa's. Yeah, okay, no, this is Chinedu's. Yeah, this is Chinedu's report. He sent it to me. Look at it. Look at what he's making Saturdays. Look at this is Vanessa. Yeah, she got $50 just in the space of 1 week of joining. Let me also show you Ademola's results. See this one, he got paid on December 11th of December. Very easy, very easy. So you see, you can make this amount of money. Let me show you the 16-year-old boy I was trying to tell you earlier on, because he made over 1 million sales in just little space of time. Look at it. He made over 1,197,500 just in the space of few weeks from getting this course. So you can make enough money. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to drop the links to get this course. I'll drop the link under this video, so for you to purchase it, and if you like it, go for it. And I'm sure you get a lot of great results. They pay every weekend, like every Saturday. You request for money on Friday, then you get credited on Saturday morning. So it's called Digitstem. Let me show you. So this is the flyer. Get to earn money weekly, and not just in naira, in dollars. And we all know what the economy is saying right now. So the best thing is just for you to make money in dollars. And I don't have to motivate you to do this. Even at some point, the other course I paid for, I had to borrow money for it. So just do what you have to do just to get this course, because it will pay. So I'm going to drop the link below. And if you want to get results like mine too, let me show you. Like this now, you can see in the morning I got credited already. Very early in the morning, I'm waking up. I'm just trying to do some things in the day. You can imagine I got credited $20 just easily like that. And the best thing is that it reflects immediately in my dashboard. So you can as well make this. You can as well make money with this easily without you don't spend all your money just trying to get some things, maybe to eat or to buy clothes or stuff like that. This Christmas period, or probably this festive period, the year is running to an end. All you need to do is just invest in yourself. If you have to spend all your time just to gain wisdom, it's best, because that wisdom will eventually pay in the long run. So hope to see you there. Hope to see you in the course. I'm not the one selling the course. It's from some of my coaches, and it has really helped me a lot. And I'm grateful to God that it's paying off. So you too, you can do it. And remember, this course will be increased. Like the price for the course will be increased very soon. So I would urge you to get it as soon as possible. In case you don't have money and you have people, leverage on people. If you have, like, let's say 20 people to like talk to for maybe, let's say, 1k, because the cost is 20,000 naira, just leverage on them. Tell them if they can give you 1k, stuff like that. You have good people. Just ensure you can even get it today, and you see the results as soon as possible. So let me not long cap too much. I don't want this video to be too long, but I want you to get results. So See you at the top. I'm rooting for you. Thank you.